Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's short video, I will show you exactly how to combine two charts in TradingView in 2026 using the updated tools. So if you are looking for the TradingView premium subscription discount, you can just check out the link of the Black Friday sale in the description. In this particular deal, you will get up to 80% off plus 1 month absolutely free. Only 2 days left in this deal, so make sure that you explore the offers. So when you come here on tradingview.com, you need to log in into your account first if you haven't already. Now use the search bar here on the top, then look for the chart which you want to launch. So this chart would be the base chart on which you are going to add the second chart and combine it with it. So as you can see, I have the Nvidia chart available. So I want to compare this chart with any other currencies or assets. So here on the top left, you will see the option of this plus icon. When you click on it, you will see the compare symbol option. Now it is going to show you some of the recent symbols. So if the pair that you want to compare it with is available in this list, simply select that and a line will be appear here on your chart. But I want to compare it with, let's say, BTC USD. So I'm going to be selecting that ticker here. Once you are able to find, simply click on it. And as you can see, I have the line available and it is going to basically show this blue line as BTC. So it is showing you the comparison of Nvidia to BTC. So this way you will be able to compare two charts in TradingView. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.